through it again too. Not because I don't
Turn
believe
left
the guy.
on Allen Guard Station Road.
Thank you. She's so bossy. But we're gonna run through it too, just because, you know, I mean, even if Matt had worked on something, you know, and was asking me to see if I could get it going, I'm still gonna check it, you know, do my own diagnostics, and you should too. But that said, we're headed down here to pick this one up. It's a good looking tractor. We're gonna bring it back to the barn.
1.25 miles.
She interrupts one more time. Okay, but anyway, we're gonna take it back to the house, troubleshoot it, and go ahead and do an alternator conversion on it. I'll throw another card in right up here for the video where I've done that to Donald's tractor, and we're gonna go on ahead and throw him some LED work lights on there and a few other little things, get it all tweaked up. We'll check and make sure it doesn't need the hydraulics rebuilt on it. It's pretty much just a whole other project that my wife is not super thrilled about, because I'm supposed to be building a carport and
At the
putting
end
in.
of the street, turn left.
She's doing it. Anyway, I got stuff I'm supposed to be doing for my wife, but because she loves me, we're gonna get through this, because I have a tractor addiction. Proceed. When we were unloading this, you saw a gentleman on my old 600, and he was pulling me around, helping me get this off and set into place where I want to work on it. That gentleman is Jasper. If you remember, I'll throw a card right up here. If you remember one of the videos, I talked about how, you know, I gave a shout out to Jasper, said that I wanted to meet him. Jasper, long story short, he had watched a bunch of our videos, and he contacted me. He had some welding work to see if I was interested in doing it, and we've kept in touch, and that is how I met this guy, was through YouTube, through our little channel we got here. We were talking the other day. He was driving home. I think I was here doing something on the tractor, and he was talking about, you know, he was working on a project there at home, building a smoker. Talked about building one on a trailer, and I actually had a smoker trailer here, and I don't have time to do it, to do what I wanted to do. And I says, hey, why don't you come get this one? He lives about an hour from me. So I say all that to say this: through YouTube, through it being, you know, awesome search engine, you can find anything you need to know, 15 different ways to do it, to work on something, whatever. It's also a place where you can meet some really cool people, and I must say that I had an awesome afternoon here. Jasper came to the house. He helped me get this one unloaded. We got the smoker trailer and a new firebox loaded up on his trailer, and we're going to cut to Jasper's part of the video where he is showing us his 1983 Centurion fan truck, a Vruck, a tan. I don't know what you want to call it, but it is a very cool vehicle, and he shows us a little bit about it, and I thought it was pretty neat. So anyway, time for everybody else that doesn't know Jasper to get to meet Jasper. So here we go. Your truck.
83 Ford Centurion.
83.
Got
Ford
cold air
Centurion.
on it, and it's factory fit.
The original mega cab. It's got a fuel pincher 460 in it. Guaranteed to get 8 miles to the gallon.
I don't know about fuel pinching, but it might be fuel drinking.
Yes, sir.
And the seat makes into a bed.
That beats a mega cab to pieces.
Hey, if the wife kicks me out, I got a place to stay for a night.
Is this thing for sale? Fiberglass on the outside for looks, and then it's tread plate.
Diamond plate steel on the inside.
Sapsucker nose, it is
It's
tough.
built like a pine tree planter, I believe.
These holes here, I believe that.
I believe
mean,
they had a pivot fifth wheel.
right.
for
I
power
think that's how they came. Because I mean, I don't know. That's not just for
There
show.
ain't
That's
no
that's
sheet, there ain't no sheet metal.
no, that's not sheet metal. That is tough. It's extremely tough, and it's got extra bracing under it too, where these meet and right in there. I think that's how they came.
Now it didn't come with the factory with a head rack on it.
Right.
Like I got it from had the head rack built
Yeah.
because they're so wide. They had to put that angle under there for the toolbox.
Yeah. It looks like he may have added something for an air dam. Maybe.
Chrome chicken wing that was up there.
Gotcha.
Another friend of mine pulled travel trailers with his diesel F-250, and when he sold it, he let Chip put it up there. And I got to find me one.
Well, yeah. I mean, you already got your chrome ladies back here on the back.
That's right.
Now all you
That's
need
right.
is that. Get some stacks on here, put a Cummins in it, 10-speed Road Ranger behind it. I see a lot of possibilities with the Centurion.
You talking about? Hey, I said I always wanted me a step side.
You
And I
can
wanted
step
me
right
another
on the
van.
side.
So I got the best of both worlds.
Yeah, you did. And maybe somebody out there in the old YouTube land can tell us more about these once we get this video up.
I hope so.
Somebody probably knows the history on them, because I'm sure.
It's 83 and it's factory built. They didn't.
Yeah.
Nobody homemade this one.
Yeah. Oh.
Look,
Oh, yes, sir. Chicken lights. Now, did you do those, or were they there?
They was already. The guy I got it from doing it. I want to get me a brush guard to put on it.
Well, yeah. Got chicken lights all over this thing.
My sister says I need to have it under a gooseneck making money with it.
I don't know how much money you can make with it as far as gas mileage goes. I don't know how that 460 is going to treat you on the open road with
Might
the
be a little
C6
rough.
behind it. You need to open that exhaust up though. We need, full length headers. Do a 4-barrel on it.
And it's got the 4-barrel.
It does have a 4-barrel. Is it a Holly?
It's high, I think it's adjusted. My brother done the adjustment on it.
Oh yes, sir. It'd be a tight squeeze to get a header in there, but
But I was thinking the full tube, what they call the moonshine headers.
mm-hmm.
The full tubes, not the short, stubby ones, but the long tubes.
Right, yeah.
That way I can run duals on it.
We got an Optima in here. This thing's ready. What's nice is being able to take the doghouse off and get, because if you ever change plugs on a 460 in a pickup truck, the one back there by the heater box, you got to stand on your head and cuss. That's the only way it comes out is with
And you look
profanity.
like a monkey when somebody walks up to you.
Yes, because all I can see is the heels of your boots sticking up. Looks like a truck ate you.
My brother-in-law and them says it's ugly, but they kind of like it.
Well, it's kind of like a bulldog puppy. You know,
That's
they're
right.
so ugly, they're cute. That's
right.
it. I like it. Heck yeah. Okay. That was Jasper. That's my wife trying to get a hold of me. So that means it's the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, we're going to be getting this one going. You guys are sitting on magnet base. Oh, there we go. Y'all are sitting on the 5303 new pump. I'm shooting this today, Saturday. New pump will be here Monday. New pump's coming in. We're going to get it put on this one, get it back to the customer, and then once this one is complete, we'll be getting on the 3000. So thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Give us a thumbs up if you like what we're doing, and we'll catch up with you later. See ya.